We've all seen giant touchscreen media walls used on cable news networks, allowing anchors to annotate and guide us through election night coverage. It makes for a powerful news presentation. Don't you wish to do the same in your conference room? The problem is these large touchscreens are quite expensive, costing up to tens of thousands of dollars. The engineers at Touchjet developed Touchjet WAVE in the past 3 years. It turns any regular flat-screen television or monitor display into a smart touchscreen, and it's only $299. Take a look.
I just got the Touchjet WAVE. It turned my TV into a smart touchscreen that can do pretty much anything. Bam! Stream any movie. You can download any app from the Google Play right onto the WAVE. You can check sports, news, social media, listen to music, search for things, learn stuff, control your home, and play all your favorite games, only much bigger and better.
We are going to take a look at the Spectre project next.
People in our office love it.
Great work, everybody.
It gets them out of their chairs, collaborating like never before.
Windows to the south side of
The WAVE also has a mobile app.
It's a great idea. Amy, can we pull up the window treatment?
You can swipe files, photos, and videos from your handheld device right to the TV. And no need to sweat compatibility issues. Any Android or Apple device will do. It's super easy to use and gets kids playing together in a whole new way.
I think it's Uncle Andy's turn.
I think your parents want you to play something a little more educational anyway.
Navigate right from your phone. You'll be amazed at how quickly it changes your world. Friends, office, family, the Touchjet WAVE brings people together in any situation.